Drum mag.
Rock.
Well, he beat you on that one. He beat you on that one.
Okay, fine.
I'll take that. I'll take that. One more time, ready?
Okay, rock, paper, scissors.
What was that? What is that? Okay, so it's 1 out of 1. So whoever wins the next one
Okay,
wins, alright?
everyone go on shoot. Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, what? Oh,
Okay, either way, that way. You're attacker. I didn't think rock, paper, scissors would be so hard.
It's an intense game, bro. Fortunes are made and lost.
Okay, if you're attackers, come over here with me.
Is Danny an attacker?
Danny is an attacker, yes. Oh, you do that, doesn't matter. Be here if you want. So it'll be you 5. Actually,
No, that's 4.
yeah, I'm actually
I'm
reconsidering. Ray, go back.
No.
Go back.
I'm being attacked.
Am I going back too?
You know, should you go back? You should.
I should play with Ray.
You should play with Ray. You're staying.
Then me and Daddy be attackers.
Damn. Split us up. Pulling a Holland on her.
I'll make you go back with your friend.
Making me proud, boy.
Make me proud.
I had to do this, but you're gonna go back to you.
Me?
Yes, you're a defender. Okay, so me and Danny will be attackers.
What?
Just to make Ray and Danny mad.
I guess we need one working gun on this team, right?
Whoa. Oh.
Watch, my gun's probably gonna break down because I said that.
Let's knock on wood. So, if I get this correct and I don't butcher it like I did last time I attempted to do this, this game can end one of 3 ways. 1, the defenders will last for 15 minutes and not be taken over by the attackers.
Okay.
2, the defenders will kill everyone. The attackers. The attackers will kill all of the defenders in 9 and build a new building.
I can't hear you.
Do I have to yell? Okay. Did you hear the first part?
So we can ask for 15 minutes?
No, it's 15 minutes. That's defenders. The defenders have 15 minutes to survive. If the defenders last 15 minutes, they win. The attackers can win 2 ways. 1, the attackers kill all the defenders, or they make it into the building. It's not as bad as last time.
Y'all need me to repeat that? Y'all catch that? Y'all need me to repeat it?
Do it. Hold on. Let Holland do it.
Attack and defend. They will end 1 of 3 ways. Either A, one of the original attackers makes it into the building. They will automatically end. B, all of the defenders survive 15 minutes. Or C, all the defenders are eliminated and become attackers. When you get shot, come here to the entrance of the field, you go back as an attacker. Everybody understand how this game works? Be semi-auto. Those of you that are attacking, defending, go ahead and head to your spawn.
Are you attacking or defending? Holland.
I'm just trying to make my gun work.
Okay, you are. Me and Danny are attackers. Yeah. Once again, I butchered it. Once again, I become the chop shop butcher. I don't like your attitude towards me.
Deal with it.
Yes, sir. Wait, sorry.
You got an issue? Get a tissue.
No, you need a tissue for your issue. Get it right.
Same difference.
Oh, look at you, tactical Terry.
Si, senor. Dude, to be honest, when I was texting in the group chat, all I did was I changed the language in my type pad, and if you go to the Siri speaking voice and you speak into it, it'll translate.
To what?
To whatever language you have it set to. That's what I was doing, yeah. I know no Dutch, I don't know any German. No Spanglish. And no Dutch. Especially Dutch.
I knew it.
You and your Dutch.
Because you were saying something so weird. Something about sauce. What are you talking about?
Talk about that Szechuan sauce, Morty. Okay. Hey, Dan.
Don't call me that.
Danny, can you help me out here?
Yeah.
My goggles are all. I can't reach the.
you trying to do?
I'm trying to attach this piece to the little circle, but I can't find the little circle. So just stretch it out and attach it. Get it on there?
Cool.
Okay. Now
Can I close it?
Yeah, close it.
Nice.
It's easy here.
For this, the best way to grab quick kills is to use Kill House and go 5-4. If one of y'all want to push to that new, was that 6?
Yeah, building 6.
6 to 1. If we have kill building and kill and 1, we can push crossfire all the way in there.
Okay.
I'll take kill.
Okay.
You want to take
I'll take 6 to 1. My loneliness. There we go. Now I can see it. What? Ah. Wow. What the heck? Got a faulty mag. not a good idea. I'm just gonna go all the way around the comp. They're still shooting at number 1. Give him a good old spook. Hit! Ah. 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 We get in the action. Touché. Hey.
Fuck.
What? What the heck? Suppress fire on the window! Oh shoot, dude. Come on. Here. I have a grenade. I'm gonna pop it in the room. Just make sure the area is clear, okay? Ready? Make sure it's clear over there so we don't get lit up. Is it clear? No one's over there?
Yeah, no one's over there.
That window's clear?
Yeah.
This?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's move up.
Oh, we got one. We got one.
In the window?
Not the first window, but in the back of the second row.
In the back? Was he looking at us?
Yeah, he's looking at us.
He's looking at us, okay. Just suppress that window.
I think I hit.
Just got hit? You did? Okay. Ah, touche. Yeah, dang it. Okay. That's good. Damn. We got 4 minutes. Yo, I'll go. He looks that. Move up! Go, 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 go.
Got him.
Okay.
There's only one more.
There's one more in there. Is she?
Here we are.
Game over!
Yeah.
Good!
Okay.
Eighth round.
2 minutes.
Huh?
2 minutes. That took way too long. 2 minutes remaining.
I didn't move in because whenever they were walking away, they just said there was one more guy and he screamed hit. So I thought, I'll keep an eye out for it.
Dude, that girlfriend, she spooked me. She was just sitting in the corner, and I was like, oh my lord.
You got a spook it?
I got spooked. Well. Okay, well that was Attack and Defend at West Texas Airsoft. Have a great day.
There's my outro. I just recorded what you said.